Opening scene. Wide shots of an abandoned, massive FV4005 tank. The tank appears rusted, damaged, and heavily worn. Initial inspection. Close-ups show corroded metal, rusted turret, dirt and grime covering the exterior. Slow cinematic shots emphasize the enormous size of the gun barrel. Text and title appear, introducing the FV4005 restoration project. The men walk around the tank, inspecting it. They examine the turret, the massive cannon, tracks, and wheels. Close-up shots of severe rust and mechanical damage. The condition of the tank is clearly shown as non-functional. Disassembly begins. Heavy machinery is used to lift parts. Open hatches remove external components. Bolts and panels are loosened. The turret interior is revealed. Dirt, oil residue, and debris are visible inside. Parts are carefully removed and laid out. Deep cleaning and rust removal. Components are pressure washed, scrubbed, and sanded. Tank tracks are removed piece by piece. Rust flakes fall off metal surfaces. Close-ups of before, rusted, after, clean metal. Painting and finishing. Surfaces are smoothed. Fresh paint is applied evenly. The tank receives a military-style finish. The cannon barrel is cleaned inside and out. Tracks are reinstalled carefully. The tank begins to look structurally complete again. Details and markings are added. The transformation is clearly visible. Grease and grime are removed from mechanical parts. Mechanical repairs. Damaged parts are repaired. Welded or replaced. Internal mechanisms are inspected. Bearings, joints, and moving parts are restored. Workers test movement manually to ensure parts function smoothly. Track and suspension restoration. Reassembly phase. Final assembly and testing. Cleaned and repaired parts are reattached. track and suspension restoration. Turret components are reinstalled. The massive gun barrel is mounted back in place. Wheels and suspension components are cleaned.
Don't forget how long the gun barrel is.
Rusted sections are repaired.
After that, we look at the sliding top roof hatch. Just open it up again.
Bolts are tightened and aligned. The tank regains its full form. Final checks are performed. Hatches are closed. Turret rotation is tested.
He's working well, I'd say.
Cinematic reveal of the fully restored FV4005. Side-by-side comparison: before, rusted, broken; after, clean, complete, powerful. The tank is shown from multiple angles. Slow-motion shots emphasize its size and presence. The video ends with the tank standing fully restored. Tracks are tested for movement. The cannon is shown fully restored.
For more insights and behind-the-scene details on a transformation, subscribe to Epic Explore World YouTube channel.